What's up? What's up, YouTube? Motion rebuilds, F30 motion, big body motion. You know what I'm saying? We back with another video. So today, we're doing an inner tire rod replacement on the F30 to see if that's going to fix the steering problem that you seen in video 1. If you didn't watch that, go back. You got to watch this step by step. You know what I'm saying? But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe. Because I'm going to have content for you every other day. Or every day, depending on how I'm feeling. So today we get in the tire rod. We got the inner tire rod right here. I really don't know what I'm doing for real, but I'm gonna figure it out. I got the tool right here to replace this, so I'm guessing this tool. I bought everything on Amazon. Everything like last night. I ordered all this last night. It came the next morning. But this basically go on the end of this. You go on the end of that, and just when you tighten it and loosen the whole thing, so you don't gotta be doing all this wrenching, all this. But yeah, about this breaker bar. I don't know if y'all can tell how small this is, but I'm thinking it's gonna be the long breaker bars. Bruh, this thing like a basically regular ratchet. I don't know, but I'm gonna make it work though. The internet got me again, but I got the extensions and everything, so I should be good. So basically what I'm gonna do, jack up the car. I'm gonna take the tire off, and we're gonna see what we're doing after that. Alright, y'all, once you got that tire off, I know y'all see me struggling to get that tire for some reason. I don't know. Them things was torqued down crazy. So right here, you got the little rod right here. It's the rod. You got a 21mm bolt right here. You got a T. This the end right here. This is what they call the end. And this is the actual tire rod. But I got the whole thing with the end. And, cause I don't know, I'm just replacing the whole thing just to make sure. So once you got that, you got this. You got 21mm right here. Got T30 bolt right there. You take this casing off, and then you got that little bolt. So yeah, the clearance on this thing is kind of crazy though. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. So yeah. Y'all. I finally got this bolt off. I was struggling for like 30 minutes. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So basically what was happening, see this right here, the nut, cause I guess how, like, it was something wrong with it, but like, it kept spinning. The ball joint kept spinning inside and spinning inside. So I went on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, I be on YouTube trying to look shit up too. Like y'all, I be on YouTube, I looked it up. So they said basically you gotta jack up the ball joint, apply mad pressure on it with the jack, and then it should come out. And shorty came right out. I was about to get the cutting bolts, but ain't no need for all that. Shorty came right out. Ooh, I was struggling, I ain't gonna lie. Whew, I only have one jack, so I had to lower the thing on the rim. Sketchy, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So I'm just lower the jack. It should drop right down with it. See if I can hit it down. Ooh. I'm gonna just bang that down. I don't got no hammer or nothing. Alright, yo, so once y'all get that nut off right here, you want to hit I use a Torx, but that thing is stripped, so I'm gonna just use a 16mm bolt. I got some penetrating fluid right now, so I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna hit it with the breaker bar. I'm gonna get that off, then I'm gonna hit it with the impact. Then we're gonna take that off, take this casing off, and there's a bolt inside of here, and then we're gonna be good to go. All right, y'all, so basically what I did to get the end off the thing, I just jacked up the rotor, and now it's loose. I only gotta take that extra bolt off. So what I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna take these clamps off. There's a clamp right here. There's a clamp on the end. Then you have that little bolt right here. You have this nut. Then you put this around it. You basically get it off. And then we should be good to go. Hopefully everything goes well. I don't see anything crazy because it's been like 2 hours, I ain't gonna lie, since I've been trying to do this. but making progress. So once I get that off, I'm gonna type y'all back in. Boom. Got both sides off. This the ball I was talking about. Dang, this thing is broke. So much play in it. Yeah, that gotta go. But yeah, once I do that, take this out. I should just screw back in. So I'm gonna get this little thing. Only thing to get this on there, I gotta get this off, and that is stuck. So I gotta find something to get it off. All right, y'all. So basically, I can't do anything else unless I cut this thing off. I remember I had a bolt broke, so what I'm gonna do, I was trying to go pick up an angle grinder. I'm about to cut this off right here, so I could get that tool on it. Cause remember that tool is a one-way in, like this, it's rounded. So I gotta cut one of the ends off. I'm gonna cut that. We should be straight. Yeah, so I got that off. I don't know. Y'all can see I almost burn myself. But I'm pretty sure I could just slip this off now. I got that right off there. So now I just gotta get that piece on there. Let me take this off the mount. Now I gotta get this little ring. This ring right here. Put this little ring on it. Hold on. Get this little ring. I should just be able to move it. Alright, y'all. So, got that on. Put this little thing on the breaker bar, and we turn it. It should just snap off. I can just take it off. I should be there. Just move it with your hand. And it just spins. Ugh. Got that off. Out with the old and with the new. It's the new piece right here. I think it gotta be adjusted, but I'm not even sure. Let me see if I can probably try to adjust it by matching it up. But either way, I still gotta get an alignment. Yeah, either way, it still gotta be aligned. So I'm gonna just bring it in a little bit. So I'm gonna just undo this and just push that in a little bit. Cause remember, it got kinked right here. So just gotta figure out what to do now. Just probably screw in. I'm gonna screw this and tighten it, then put it back in, and we good. So change your plans. I won't be able to do that cause remember, you gotta put this in. You gotta tighten it on. So this, I just gotta eyeball it, but I'm still gonna get alignment. So this basically, I'm just gonna get that to spin in there. So basically, I'm gonna get that on there and tighten it. Put the end, connect it, and we're good to go. So once you slide that boot on, slide the boot, you're gonna put the clamp around this end and put the clamp on the other end. Then you're gonna tie this all the way until it matches up to right here. Throw the nut back on and we good to go. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me get back to y'all and see how it's working. Alright, so I got it in. Got the ball joint in. I'm gonna tighten this right here, put the 16mm back on. You put the wheel back on, and then we should be good. But when y'all do this, like I said, make sure it's straight, the wheel is straight, so you can have a pretty good alignment. But you still gonna have to get it aligned, because I'm just eyeballing it to make sure. But you still probably have to go to the alignment shop, because the alignment probably gonna be off. But as long as the wheel is straight, we should be good. So I'm like, yeah, it look pretty straight right now. So I'm gonna just put this in, put the bolt in, tighten this down, throw the wheel back on, and take it for a test drive. So yeah, I'm gonna torque everything down when I'm done. Torque everything down to specs, but I just got everything tightened with the impact a little bit. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna test it. Take it on the test drive. Make sure everything looks good. Make sure everything better at least. It's kind of hot. Oh, it's hot in here. Got the parking brake on. What's the brakes? I heard something rubbing, but I just realized it's the brake. It's still doing it. Well, something's rubbing though. I don't know. Something's rubbing. Make sure we put the wheel straight. Make it straight. Probably need alignment. That's probably what it is. Probably gotta get that alignment. Yeah, it definitely needs to be aligned now because that's not straight. So I'm gonna take it to get aligned. Then after that, everything should be cool. So yeah, I probably just need alignment at this point because I just changed the arm. The wheel not straight, so I'm probably just gonna take it to get aligned. Then after that, we should be good. So y'all, I'm gonna tap in with the next video, give y'all updates, let y'all know if the issue got fixed or not. But as of right now, I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna get alignment, see what's going on, and see why it's making that rubbing noise. So I'm gonna catch on with the next video.